Lesson 6. Introduction to Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a computer program that helps us to organize, store, and analyze data in tabular form. Children will be able to learn about spreadsheet program, entering of data, starting Excel, performing calculations, workbook and worksheet, saving a workbook, components of a workbook, opening a saved workbook, moving around the spreadsheet. Tia. Hi Neha. Today we are going to learn about MS Excel. Neha. Hey Tia, I'm not sure. Is it something fun? Tia. Well, it's actually a computer program that helps you work with numbers and data. You can use it to make lists, calculate things, and create charts. Neha. Oh, that sounds interesting. Can you show me how to use it? Tia. Of course, Neha. I'd love to help you get started with MS Excel. Spreadsheet program. Spreadsheet is an application program used to store data in rows and columns, that is, tabular form. It can also be used to sort, calculate, and manipulate data. Examples of spreadsheet applications are Google Sheets, LibreOffice Calc, Microsoft Excel, and OpenOffice. You can enter, edit, and save data in a spreadsheet application. You can also present the data in a graphical form using a spreadsheet application. Now, in this chapter, you will learn about MS Excel. Following is a window of MS Excel. Like other spreadsheet applications, MS Excel also contains columns and rows. Columns are arranged vertically, rows are arranged horizontally. The rows and columns cross each other to form boxes called cells. Data is entered in these cells. Starting Excel. Follow the given below steps to create a worksheet in MS Excel. 1. Type Excel in the search bar. 2. Select the Microsoft Excel option. 3. After selecting MS Excel, a new spreadsheet file appears. MS Excel window. The columns in Excel are named using letters such as A, B, C, D. Rows are named using numbers such as 1, 2, 3. A cell is named by its column name followed by its row name. For example, the name of the first cell is A1. The name box displays the name of the active cell and the input line shows the content. It can be used for editing the content of the cell. The mouse pointer appears as a plus sign in Excel. Workbook and worksheet. Workbook. When you start MS Excel, a new spreadsheet is created. This spreadsheet can be saved on your computer as a file. The file is called a workbook. The workbook is given the name Book 1 by default. You can change this name while saving it to make it meaningful. Worksheet. Each workbook can have more than one spreadsheet. Each of these is called a worksheet. Sheet 1. Worksheet. Click on the New Sheet button to add another worksheet. Components of a workbook. Following are the main components of a workbook. Menu bar. It consists of menus with a drop-down list of submenus. It gives access to basic commands such as file, save, and so on. Formula toolbar. This toolbar contains the name box and the input line text box. The name box displays the name of the active cell and the input line displays its content. It can be used to edit the content of a cell. In case of calculated value, it displays the formula used for the calculation. Columns and rows. You know that a spreadsheet is in the form of a grid or a table that organizes data into rows and columns. Columns. They are arranged vertically. Each column is identified by a column heading. Columns are named with letters A, B, C, etc. Rows. They are arranged horizontally. A row number identifies each row. Row numbers start with 1, 2, 3, etc. Cell. The intersection of a column and a row forms a cell. You enter data in a cell. Each cell also has a name. This is formed by its column name followed by its row name. For example, the first cell in the upper left corner is A1, column A, row 1. Entering of data. You can enter text or number data in a spreadsheet. These are also called values. Some text values are used to describe the data in a column or row. They are called spreadsheet labels. Follow the given steps to enter data. 1. Click on cell A1. 2. Type the label colors, press enter. Similarly, you can enter number data in a worksheet. Performing calculations. You can perform calculations on number data in Excel using formulas and using commands. Using formula. In Excel, every formula begins with an equal sign. For example, to add two values, the formula will be is equal to A1 plus B1. Let's learn to create a formula to add three numbers. Follow the given steps to add three numbers. 1. Open Excel worksheet. 2. Enter the values in A1, B1 and C1 as shown and press enter. 3. Now, in the input line, type the name of cells whose values need to be added. For example, A1 plus B1 plus C1. 4. Press enter. Now you can see the sum of A1, B1 and C1 in D1. Saving a spreadsheet. When you create a spreadsheet file, you need to save it on your computer. Once you have saved your file, you can open it anytime for making changes in it. Steps to save your spreadsheet. 1. Click the Save button. 2. A Save As dialog box appears. Select Desktop location from here. 3. Give a name to the file. 4. Click Save. Fact Corner. The Save option allows you to save a document in the same location with the same name. The Save As option is used to save a document with a different name and/or a different location. Opening a saved spreadsheet. You can work with spreadsheet files that are already saved on your computer. You can reopen the files and then make changes in them. Follow the given steps to open a spreadsheet. 1. Click the File option. 2. Click Open. 3. Select the spreadsheet that you have saved under Recent Workbooks, or you can browse the desired sheet from the Open dialog box. Flashback. A spreadsheet is an application program used to store data in rows and columns, that is, tabular form. You can enter, edit, and save data in a spreadsheet application. You can also present the data in a graphical form using a spreadsheet application. You can enter text or number data in a spreadsheet. Excel can also be used to sort, calculate, and manipulate data. Each workbook can have more than one spreadsheet. Each of these is called a worksheet. You can perform calculations on number data in Excel using formulas and commands. In Excel, every formula begins with an equal